Hello, happy cold day. So this video is for parents to show you how you can set up a Storyboard That account for your child. And then the next video is going to be for students when they're using Storyboard That so that they understand how all of the features work. All right, so when you go to the website, it will give you the option to create a storyboard, but if you do that without logging on, you won't be able to save it. So I recommend just creating an account. If you click log on, it will give you the option to register. And you can type in a username. So I'm going to just make up Miss Stanley 208 and then an email address and a password. So I actually already have an account, so I'm not going to go through this registration process. I'm just going to log in. Okay. And then when you log in, and also this will happen when you make your account, it will ask you if you want to upgrade your package. You don't need to. You can create up to two storyboards for free per week. So I'm just going to click Create Storyboard, and that's going to get it set up for your student. All right, so that is the basics of how to set up the account for your student. In the next video, I will explain more how to use this.